Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube banner on the YouTube app. Especially with the recent updates guys, you can do all this from your phone. You don't have to go and do it on your desktop anymore. Let's launch the YouTube app and let me show you how you're gonna go about it. The first thing that you wanna do, you wanna click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and click on the upper left corner and click on your profile picture itself. So you will launch your profile. Now guys, you want to click on the small pen that is next to the manage videos button. There is a small pen on the right side. Click on the pen. And here guys, you can click and change your profile picture. If you click on the profile picture, you can change your YouTube banner by simply clicking on the YouTube banner itself. You can choose images from your photo library. And also guys, I do have a video how to create a YouTube banner as well on my gallery. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and check how to create a free YouTube banner on Canva video, okay? For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.